Hey there, what are today's messages and quotes we need to hear? Rooted endurance. Draw strength from your roots. Embrace growth through all life's seasons. And what else do we need to hear today? You deserve to give yourself tenderness anytime you wish. That's a good reminder. Space. May your heart and your scope expand. And our last card for today before we move to our quotes. "15. Travel. Find ecological ways to explore the world." How will you be exploring your world today? All sorts of interesting things flying in the sky. All right. Let's pick this little envelope. Bills should be due every 90 days. I just feel like every 30 days is a bit dramatic. Oh, yes. You're either surrendering to the tone of the room or you're bringing your tone into the room. Oh, yes. Think about this perspective. We are all recipes, all unique. When we get a recipe put together and into the oven, we have to cook till it's done. Raw cake is not good, so patience, timing equals a perfect recipe of a dish. This year, I'm being a joyful little maniac about creating a life I love. That's all I know. And the last one for today. If you're wondering who your people are, they are the ones who make your heart feel seen, your nervous system feel calm. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.